Welcome friends to our new channel Electrical Technology by Pawar sir. Electrical Technology 92. Battery and Emergency Light. Our first topic is Battery and Emergency Light. Introduction to Battery. Battery is primary power source for any electronics wireless gadget. By it a smartphone, laptop, watch or remote the battery, which is used to lead sulfuric acid for the conversion of the chemical energy into electrical energy. When a battery is supply electric power, its positive terminal is the cathode and its negative terminal is the anode. Batteries generally can be classified in batteries convert chemical energy directly to electrical energy. To different categories and types range from chemical uh, composition, size, from factors and use case, but under all of these are two major batteries type. First, primary battery, second, secondary battery. First, primary battery. Primary batteries are batteries that cannot be recharged once depleted. Primary batteries are made up of electrochemical cells whose electrochemical reaction cannot be reversed. In this type of battery cells, voltage is approximately 1.2 volt to 1.5 volt. Voltage of battery is directly proportional to the number of cells. Second, secondary battery. Secondary battery can be recharged. They can have their chemical energy reaction reversed by applying electric current to the cell. The regenerated the original chemical reactant, so they can be used, recharged, and used again multiple times. Capacity is measured in units such as AMP, hour, A.H. The models of charging of lead acid cells or discharge of lead acid cells. Working of battery. When the sulfuric acid dissolves, its molecules break up into positive hydrogen ions, 2H plus positive and sulfate negative ions, SO4 negative, and move freely if the two electrodes are immersed in solution and connect to DC supply. Then the hydrogen ions begin positively charged and move towards the electrodes and connected to the negative terminals of the supply. The SO4 negative ions, being negatively charged, move towards the electrodes connected to the positive terminals of supply mains, therefore anode. Each hydrogen ions take one electrons from the cathode and each sulfates ions take the two negative ions from the anodes from react with water and form sulfuric and hydrogen acid. The oxygen which produced from the above equation reacts with lead oxide and form lead peroxide bracket PbO2 bracket close. Thus during charging the lead cathode remains as lead, but lead anodes get converted into lead peroxide chocolate in color. If the DC source of supply of disconnected and if the voltmeter connected between and electrodes, it will show the potential difference between them. If wire connects the electrodes, then current will flow from the positive plates to the negative plates through external circuit. Therefore, the cell is capable of supplying electrical energy. Thank you.